everyone, it's Olivia, and today Andy and I are going to talk through our tutorial on authoring and sharing a local scene in ArcGIS Pro.
Right now we have a scene view. We're going to build a scene in Portland and then share it to our portal, but first we need to add the data to the project.
That's right. We'll make a connection to this geodatabase called 3D Portland.
Inside the geodatabase are several data sets that we'll add to the scene: a polygon feature class of buildings, 2 raster data sets, and a point feature class representing trees.
Right. Now let's add the buildings feature class and the Portland aerial raster to the scene.
We're now looking at an area of West Portland.
We're going to remove the default base map and elevation surface. The aerial imagery we added can replace the base map, and now we can add our own elevation surface.
Yeah, and from the same database we can add a high resolution elevation surface specific to Portland.
Let's take a closer look from another angle.
I can see the elevation surface we added, but the buildings are still flat.
The buildings are 2D features, but each one has its height stored as an attribute. In order to actually see the height in the scene, we need to extrude the buildings. We'll use the max height option, and we'll set it to the average height attribute field.
The buildings look good in 3D in ArcGIS Pro, but we want to share this scene to the web. That requires that we convert these extruded 2D features to a type of data that's truly 3D, a multi-patch. To do that, we'll use the Layer 3D to Feature Class geoprocessing tool.
Now we'll remove the old buildings layer. Our new multi-patch looks more or less the same here, but it'll be critical for our web scene. What's next?
The Portland geodatabase also has a point feature class with the locations of trees. Rather than just representing them as points, we'll symbolize them with a preset layer.
We'll use the thematic tree preset, which is a 3D model specifically designed for point datasets of trees like ours.
The trees look great. Now let's share the scene so we can view it online. Now that it's all published, let's open it in the scene viewer.
That's great. We have all the layers from ArcGIS Pro, and we could explore the scene and interact with the features. We could also use our portal to view the scene from anywhere and share it with others.
If you'd like to learn more about how we authored and shared this scene, take a look at the tutorial in the ArcGIS Pro help.